your initial consultation, we'll arrange your first design meeting. You'll be in awe as Harold artfully brings your Pinterest board to life and designs your custom home just for you. Usually a few meetings with Harold follow to more closely refine your design, and we'll ask for a design agreement with a deposit. This allows Harold to finalize your custom plan and turn it into a 3D rendering.
Hi, Harold here. I'm the design manager at OklaHome, and this is the beginning of your design process. Likely you've had a meeting with Craig and Jennifer, talked about some of the wants and needs, and maybe where you want to land square footage wise. Now we get into the fun stuff. We're going to look at how many rooms that you really want. How do we want our living room to happen? Do we want a vaulted ceiling? What are the dreams? And a lot of ways that we work with that and make that happen is looking at Pinterest boards, your house website, maybe even just an image that you've taken driving down the road or something you found on the internet. All these things are gonna help us figure out how to make a house, a building, into what will ultimately be your dream home. Many people have a floor plan or a house that they've loved for years that they'd like to emulate or pull inspiration from, and we can absolutely use that to integrate into your custom design. We want to know, how do you live? How do you have dinner? How do you do homework in the evening? These are the things that are going to make your home special, perfect, and the place where you want to land after that busy day. The great thing is that we don't just work on paper, we don't just work in plan, but we work in 3D all at the same time. When we use our interactive software, not only are we going to draw the walls, the doors, the windows, but we're going to have all of those things happen in 3 dimensions. So as we're moving things and looking at them and thinking about how we move from a bedroom to a hallway to the living room, we're actually going to be able to pop in a camera, float around the room and see that in 3 dimensions. The big thing is that we don't want to design a home for someone else. We want to design a home specifically for you. So let's make the magic happen and make your dream home come to life.